Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday, and this is my kit reveal for the month of May. In the beginning, you saw our inspiration piece from Becky, which maybe I'll put it right up here in the corner somewhere. And for the month of May, she would like us to celebrate Mother's Day or women. So what we would like you to do is go through your photographs and pull out some photos of your mother, yourself, your daughter-in-law, your sisters, your friends, aunts, let's see what else, godmother. And then Becky also asked her mother to pick out some of her favorite things, and she said that her favorite color is blue. She loves carousels. She collects angels of all sorts, and she enjoys flowers. So that is how Becky came up with the mood inspiration piece. Isn't that awesome? So anyway, get out those photographs. We want you to document your memories, and we want you to play along over at our Facebook group. So you need to snap a photograph of your kit once you have it put together, and then each Monday or somewhere right around there, post a photograph of your layout and tell a little story about who you're honoring. All right, we would love to give you some support, and we love to get inspiration from you as well. So everyone from our Facebook group. So let's get started. Let's start with the papers that I selected, and I put together again a large kit. And for those that have been following me for a long time, they know that I normally, 75% of the time, put my kits together. I put just enough paper and enough products to create the number of layouts that I need. Sometimes, sometimes about 50% of the time, I do a page kit inside my kit. But last month, I used my Dear Lizzie collection, and this one's going to be a photo play mostly, and some other items, and I have some scraps in here, so we will go over that. Whoops, I didn't get everything out of my little pocket. I put everything in a little pocket like this. So let's get started with the paper. So of course we have some scraps, and I have some cut apart right there. And yes, it has Best Dad, but it also has Family Rules, We Are Family, Love This Here. And this is from Photo Play called Family. And then this paper is called Family Rules. This side is this pretty mint. And these are just scraps, so I'm just going to toss them to the side here. This is also from Photo Play Family, and as you can tell, I've used a little bit of this collection. That's that paper right there. And this is Thankful from the Family collection. So I grouped this together as a jumping off point for a layout. Doesn't mean that I'll use, I'm going to slide this over here a little bit so these flip over. This is Family, and this paper is called Blessed. And the opposite side is this one called Blessed. And so I thought this would be a nice grouping together. Now here's a little bit that I've thrown in from a paper pad from Prima. And this I picked up at Michael's, probably, I'm not Michael's, from Tuesday Morning. I love this, and I paired it with the Photo Play Family Rules, that mint color. That's going to be a fun layout. I can't wait. And then I got this scrap as, what do you want to call it? An opposite, but in the same tone, a darker. So I think that'll create a great layout. And then I have this also from that Prima pad. And this Prima pad, the paper's really kind of thin. Not but it's not too much thinner than the Photo Play. But anyway, so I paired this one up with the Photo Play along with this one from a paper pad. I don't remember what paper pad because I don't have it anymore, but this is, it may be reading black, but this is actually navy blue and an off-white and navy blue stripes here. And I can also use this cut apart for some of the other layers, but I paired those two up together. And then from that family collection, again, I have this off color and this, now this is black with the white polka dot black, and I paired that up together. And I know you hear my dog, and I'm gonna have to pause this video for just a moment and join you. And then I have the cut apart from the photo family. So, and that's all I have left from this collection with a little bit of die cuts. I didn't use much from it, but I wanted to get it used up for whatever reason. I'm into using these little tiny collections that I have. So I have that put together. And papers. Now we're going to go to my embellishments. So I don't want it to be busy, but this is what I've got pulled together, but I'll bring it over one at a time. So from the Photo Play collection, I have some frames and stuff and some other bits that didn't go with this collection. And then I have these little bits right here, these little cutouts that I thought I might be able to work. And my friend Traci from Mini Kit Monday Ladies, we met up in August and she provided a bunch of little cutouts that she made from her die cut because all I have is a sidekick. So I really appreciated it. And those were a little bit that I had. I had a whole pocket full, but that's all I have left. So I'm going to try to use those. So from the Photo Play, this is not from Photo Play, it was just a piece. I have some words in here and a key, a few little banners. I've got some frames that I can use. I won't use the word dad because we are honoring women. Got thankful. So we're going to see what I can use. So the rest are frames. Those are not. So these are frames. So I got that. All right, and then with the Photo Play family, I have this sticker sheet right here. And then I have this Gin Hatfield chipboard and some of that yellow and the mint would go great with that collection. And I used a little bit of this last month, I think. Or I just created some layouts using a few of these because it was brand new. So I used 1, 2, 3 on a layout. So I just went ahead since I had it out. I'm going to include it with this kit because I think some of the colors will work. And then I have doilies right here, some tags in here, a round circle for journaling. And then I also have a very old, close to my heart sticker, and I figure I might be able to make some of these work. I don't have any pre-pictures that I took out says our home, but anyway, I thought I might try to see. And then I got this other, oh, this came from Traci too, from Mini Kit Monday last August. So I included that. So that's what I have on that. Then I should put my papers out so you could kind of see the colors. Right? Sorry about that, guys. Poor planning. You guys see all that? There we go. So you can see on that chipboard, I'll bring it back real quick. Glare. See some of that yellow and even that green right there and some of this mint right here. So I thought that was a great addition to the kit. All right, now for my alphas. So I have some pre-words here. Then I have these from the Willow One Canoe, and those are like the enamel finish type. They're not very puffy. And then these are the puffy ones. And it has some of this pink. And about the only one that this will probably go with is whatever I put together right here for this kit, for this color. So I have those. And Be Kind. Let's Go, Simple Pleasures. Who knows? I don't know if any of those pre-titles will work. Here's some more black. Not so much When in Doubt. I was thinking of these hearts for a pop of color mostly. Then I have gold. See the difference? Then I have these gold with the hearts. This reminds me of doing older photographs. Then I have this pink, kind of pink corally. It's a pretty pink. I like it. And then with the blue, I thought that would go good. And then I have that. And that's just my jumping off point. When it comes to alphas and words, it's really super hard, okay? Some of you guys want to know, like, what are my struggles? That's my struggle when I put together a kit, because I just don't know my title, what's going to work. So anyway, that's that. Then I'm going to add, whoops, you're going to see a shadow. I'm going to add some sequins. All right, this is my kit for the month of May. Our guests for this month are Eileen and Jeanette. I will have their links to their channel listed below, along with the other Mini Kit Monday ladies. Be sure to share our channel. Be sure to give us a thumbs up so it brings traffic to each of our channels so that we can inspire others out there in YouTube that we don't know, but we want them to scrapbook their memories, or there might be people out there that are thinking about scrapbooking, and this is a great way for new beginners to be a part of and watch us Mini Kit Monday ladies, because we break it down for you on how to gather some pages and some embellishments and create those layouts. All right, I appreciate you all, and remember to get out those photographs and document those memories in a fun, creative way, and keep coming back and have a fabulous day. Bye.